Hello, Oddjob Dewey here, and today what we're talking about is covers for switches, light switches. So you got your house. This here particular one operates the light switch in here, as you can see. And this other one, it does the outdoor lights. Well, the outdoor lights are on photocells and motion detectors and all that kind of stuff. And so to keep that set up fine, because sometimes when you turn them off and turn them back off, you can reset them and just kind of foul them up. We're going to put a switch guard over this one here. And what does it look like? It looks like this, right? So you take this here, stick it on over there, and it's pretty simple. Just take the screws out and stick on the screw back in. Now the trick is on this thing is that, yes, there's a secret passage door on the back side or the front side. So you can have it here or face another way. So if you really do need to reach in and do the switch, you can. And this right here will keep people from, turning the switch off by accident. Same thing if you have a switch you don't want turned on, you can have it in the off position and put this little guard cover on it. And that will, keep your energy costs down maybe. So just simply put the screw back through and back into the wall like so. And bottom screw too. And look, in a matter of mere seconds or so, snug it down nicely. That there, people won't inadvertently touch it. Meanwhile, you can still reach in from the side there and flip it off and on. So, this little job's done. And if you have other jobs you'd like to see me do, or have any questions about this one, let me know in the comments below. If you like these kind of videos, subscribe and hit the notification button, because I don't regularly put stuff out. Sometimes I put out a lot, sometimes I put out a little. So otherwise though, Oddjob Doer, thanks for watching.